What's going on, familia? What's going on? We are live once again, ready to look at the market, look at trading opportunities, and crack some codes. What's going on, familia? What's going on? Hello, Josh. Hello, Tony. Hello, everyone. Here we are once again. Let's take a quick look at what's going on with the market, familia. Let's do some crazy TAs and let's get some money. All right, so we got some live data. That's a good thing. Whatever you guys see on my broker right now in my my screen, you guys, it's this live, so it should match your current broker. So there's no lag on this right now. I know we had some difficulties in the past, but now it should match. Everything should be perfect. And we're gonna jump right into, let's see if there's any trade opportunities with automation. I want to see what it says. It says, oh, it found something at 8.96. So, oh, perfect. Yeah, that is a truly good trade. 23.896. So around here to buy. TP 905. Oh, right away. Okay. And a stop loss at 890. That's a pretty tight stop loss. I see. He doesn't want to go crazy with his market. So basically it's saying right away, familia. Oh my God. This is pre-market? That's crazy. That's what it says. 96 around here. And you guys know I don't care about the final TP, so but it says basically 1-to-1 R&R. It says 5 around here. Should I be taking that trade already? Wow, that's AI right now. That's AI. And he's giving off enough time to get this. And if he goes in the opposite direction, to be out of that. Interesting. But that's AI. I am going to do my own analysis right now, quickly, to see what the market is going to give us. Well, we are 11 minutes before the market opens. So it is better to just wait for the market to open before taking anything, okay? I am going to do my own analysis of the market. It is consolidating. That's clearly, but look at this, all these ranges between. This is quite crazy how the market has been ranging on the very top. You know what? The market has been so difficult in the past few days is because it's doing a complex flat on the NAS, and it is not a nice thing. You guys know when I see this type of behaviors of the market, I try to run away. Because most of the time, people end up losing a lot of money if they don't know what they're doing. But I am going to do my best to understand the behavior of this market. So it's reaching out levels here. Oh, that was completely manipulation here, the price. So there's a good chunk of liquidity sitting here. And Asia, there's news event happening at right at 10. It's a very small report. Let's see quickly. Forex factory. Core retail already, that already came up. That was all right. They came lower than the forecast. And some of these data, some of these data was not at the greatest. So here this came even. Yeah, that's why the price literally stay in the same area, because this came even. But the retail sales, which is A big thing going on, especially with tariffs. Donald Trump said that China is doing awful right now. Their economy is doing not good, but this is just Trump talking, right? All right, so let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna be as technical as I can about this, okay? So 3, 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, this market should be coming down. This market should be coming down in a 5-point system, which is already happening here. So if this is here, I'm just seeing the type of correction that is doing and where we at right now. And if this here, it is what I see. It is a very nice entry for wave 5 on NAS, pushing the market down. Wow. AI is telling us to buy, but I think already happened. Probably the move already happened on the enter that NAS AI gave us. So right now, this is what I'm seeing here, and it's a very nice Elliott wave. So Elliott wave. So if this is a 5-point system pushing down, and let me see quickly how far this thing can go. Okay. Yes. Yes. This is great. This is great information what we're seeing here. So if this is Elliott wave 5, this will be another 5-point system, but this is Elliott wave 1 inside, and I'm going to drill down to a much lower time frame. I'm going to go to the 5-minute. I don't want to see a lot of noise. So this is what I will see here. 1, 2. Okay. And probably 3, 4, and then 5, pushing, probably pushing much lower. This is a game plan. I'm building up a game plan for you guys. And again, in the next 6 minutes, don't take any trades. Market open, things are going to fluctuate all over the place, okay? Whatever you guys see on the screen about the AI, just hold it. Hold that. That was a pre-market entry, but it was, I think it's already happening. This trade from AI. Let's see. So, oof, wow. Wow, what was that? You guys saw that live, right? A huge spike down to the bottom. This is Elliott wave number 2. Oof. We should be selling the market, not buying the market. Man, didn't even finish let me doing the TA on this. Okay, so wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, Elliott wave 3 should come here. Elliott wave 4 should come at least there. Man, come on, seriously? Pre-market? It's gonna do the move pre-market. This is the pay wave, familia. This is the pay wave. So basically what I'm saying is go short. To go short, your stop loss should be above Elliott wave 4, pointing all the way down. But again, this is just a TA. Quickly TA on this. Man, it didn't even let me finish. My God, this is pre-market. Price might come back up, familia. I'm gonna delete this AI trade because I don't think that is good. Don't. Okay, this is a trade I'm gonna be taking on my account. Let's see. And I'm gonna see how it plays out. Actually, I'm gonna lower down the lot size or something. So I'm gonna do 10. It's coming to entry. I'll be taking that trade. Oh. I'm gonna take that trade here. Oh. There. Okay, activated the trade. Okay, let's see how it plays out. Closing 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I would fully, oof. Oh my God. What was that? The market is spiking out like this? It's not safe, Amelia. This is not safe. This is not safe whatsoever. Just be really, really careful, Familia. Be really, really careful. This market is about to do a lot of crazy damage today. I am going to take another hit there. Let's see. I'm going to get out as soon as I'm in profit. This market is wild, wild. I'm out. I'm just gonna wait. Don't like 2 spikes pre-market. No good. I just got out of the trade in profits. You guys saw that. It is insane. The only way to win, lower down your lot sizes by a lot, like by a lot. And I'm gonna do 2 contracts. So I'm just gonna do a contract. 1 contract for now. I'm gonna wait for the market to do all these crazy things that it's about to do. Wow, but we know what the market is supposed to be doing. Alid wave 5 pushing the market down. One spike down, another spike up. It's gonna be a very spicy Friday. A very spicy Friday. Let's get this, familia. Let's get this. Oh, look at that. Right on the market open. Well, hello. It threw. I got out of that trade, but it went right into my TP. It is selling what you guys should be doing, but just be careful. It didn't even give me enough time to do anything. All right, so we know where we are. We know what to do, familia. We know where we are. We know what to do. But just be careful because these spikes are killer. Are killer right now. What do you guys think about that, familia? What do you guys think about that? Oh my God. And I'm not in that trade. Oh, Dios mío. It went right away like 1 to 3 R&R almost in that trade. That is crazy. That is crazy, 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 crazy. It didn't even, like, it moved so quick that it didn't let me get into a trade. And the one I was in, I got out because pre-market and the spikes are not a good mix. And the move already happened. Like, my God, come on. Are you serious? Are you serious? It went, like, didn't even let me finish. Oh my God. And look how it went straight to my TA, right there, straight to it. And he's reject. It's like, oh Dios. You know what? It's Friday. That's why I don't trade Fridays. That's why I don't trade Fridays, familia. But you guys see it is on point. Like the TA was on point. Price came right to the Elliott wave number 4. It needs rejecting it, pushing the price back up, trying to do an Elliott wave 4. My God, are you serious? My goodness, are you serious? What do you guys think about that? Are we snipers or are we snipers? You know what? It's okay. I did this in less than, what, 5 minutes? And my trade actually played out all right. So even on the spikes, I made, what, 40 bucks, 60 bucks? Would have been a lot more, I tell you that much. Oh God. Well, next trade. Let's move on to the next trade. It's just the way the market is moving is really nasty. You gotta be extremely careful. I mean, my PL right now is not too bad. It's all right, I guess. Right here, 1,806. I mean, can't complain. It's all right. It's okay. But you guys see it, how the price came right to the point, right to like a sniper, right to it, stopping. But that's how we understand the market. You know, we can do pretty good TAs, understanding how the market moves, where it's supposed to be going. It's just the only thing that stopped me from this trade was that reaction of the spikes. And spikes are pretty crazy. Pre-market is pretty crazy. You can be setting up a trade and be kicked out in no time. Now, the good thing is we can see here, for example, ES 500 dropping like it's hot. But we know that this market is doing an Elliott wave move. It's respecting it. It's being very technical right now. How do I know this? Just look, it's coming into my levels. Levels that we predicted before the market opened. Now, I didn't finish doing the Elliott wave 5, but I'm assuming it's coming for this liquidity at the bottom if it happens. And I'm talking about this Elliott wave 5 and this entire Elliott wave 5. I'm assuming it's coming for that liquidity. And it was an amazing trade because it's just grabbing the liquidity from Asia. It's truly just doing that right now. It's all about liquidity. Nice order block here, and it's unmitigated. I'm expecting the price to come down, mitigate it. If he breaks this zone and completely goes down, this will not be anymore an order block. It will be a breaker order. So just make sure that we know what the market is doing, so you guys can predict better when things are flowing later. Okay. It's a piss off, to tell you the truth. Like you're doing this stuff and then from all of a sudden you're not in. It's like but what can we do? It's trading. It is trading, and I am going to kick the living dog doo-doo out of this thing very soon. I'm gonna try to catch this Elliott wave 5. It's meeting the rules of Elliott wave, so it went to Elliott wave 4. Honestly, with a little bit of manipulation that is happening right now, this might just push back up and extremely invalidate this entire thing. Let's see. It's just I don't trust Fridays. Fridays are not the best. And for Friday, seems to be all right. All right, familia. If you're new to the chat, please hit that button, subscribe button, and like. So, and if you want to be part of the Elliott Way family, there's a little barcode right here. It will come up. Just scan that with your phone, and it will take us right. It will take you right to our familia for free. It's a pretty cool group where everybody's learning and growing, and we're gonna keep it like that. We want to see 6 figures and cashing out every week. That's the plan. Boy, oh boy. Hey, what's up, everyone? Hello, Tony. If you guys have any questions, always write it in the chat, familia. Write it in the chat. Don't be afraid. This community is for you guys to participate and ask questions, you know. Only if you have good questions, you will have answers and you will learn. I know you guys are trying to understand what's going on. It's a lot of lines, a lot of things that are a little bit like too much. But the more you show up, the more you have questions, the more you're here participating, you will get it. You will learn. I can guarantee you that. That was a nice trade, and I was not in because it was a pre-market move, and that was just all right. Perfect. It's coming down now in an Elliott wave 5 maybe, but I can only see that in the 1 minute time frame. So now I understand that he's doing an Elliott wave 4. I'm gonna break it down even more. I'm gonna go like right to the bone. So if this is gonna go on an Elliott wave 5, I need this price to come down. There's no fair value gaps. I have to be extremely careful with this because it can truly push back up, creating displacement, and that displacement will leave us fair value gaps. So if we see that happening, then we know that the price will definitely start pushing much lower, seeking for more liquidity. As I mentioned, this is an Elliott wave 5 that we might see today happening. Price pushing down to lower levels, especially these levels here. So can I take another trade? Definitely you can, because these will now activate an Elliott wave 5. Okay, you see that fair value gap there? Already created the fair value gap. That's amazing. That's what I wanted to see. Fair value gap there. This will be a valid Elliott wave 2 coming up to that fair value gap. Perfect, familia. So yeah, man, come on now. Seeking for liquidity. That's what the market is all about at all times, 24/7. And if you guys took that trade, you will be you are absolutely deep in profit. The one trade that I was not in. The market is seeking for liquidity like there's no tomorrow right now. It's liquidity hunger right now. And the visualization of this, we are definitely in the channel. I'm expecting ES 500 to come at least clean to these levels here. At least there. And then from there, a reaction pushing the market back up. And if that happens, NAS is gonna fall. Okay? And that will be a very nice move for now after an Elliott wave 5, a correction of the market. And I know my screen is just full of lines, and I need these lines so you guys can see where things are going and understand where things are flowing. All right. Liquidity is sitting here. This is the average range for New York and London. It's still pushing down, familia. I mean, hello. Hello, familia. I mean, if you guys are not making money, come on. If you guys are not making money, come on now. Come on. Truly went to all the way down to final TP of the original TA, and it just happened too fast. Because if we're doing a scalping, it just happened extremely too fast. Extremely too fast. We are in the first 12 minutes of the market, but he's doing a very nice move, okay? And I want you guys to pay attention to the move of the market today. The market is coming down, seeking for liquidity. So it's okay. We understand where the market is going. That's normal. But the one thing you also need to pay attention, it's what's going to happen after. After the market gets the liquidity that it needs, then it goes to the opposite direction, right? It goes to the opposite direction. And that's what is called buying in the deep. And it happens between 9:30 all the way down to 11:30 sometimes. In ICT traders, they call that the kill zone. And some people say, oh no, it's at 10 a.m. It's at 10 a.m. No, it's at 10:45. It's at 9:45. No. Well, you know what? You can't really predict a specific time because the market is so different. So I like to make it valid as soon as there's a bell ring, at 9:50, 9:30 Eastern, all the way down to when London closes. That window, that gap, that window, it's what I see most of the time that the move or it's happening. And you just got to be smart enough to catch it. We cannot really put a time into a variable on the market because the market is constantly changing. Okay, so those IC3 traders out there, be open for that. Okay, just understand when the market is grabbing liquidity and going in the opposite direction, because this is what it's all about. It's not about a specific time. It's about executing orders. Where the liquidity is and defines orders, makes a move, and it goes to the opposite direction. It doesn't matter what the time is. I say 9:30 because 9:30 is when the most volume kicks in the market. Okay. And obviously all the way down to 11:30 because that's when London it's out. All right. But we got it, familia. We got this crazy move, and now we're gonna make more money. I'm just waiting for a liquidity grab and then a confirmation that the market is pushing out, because right now it's probably too late to get into a sell unless you try to catch this wave 5. My concern, familia, is that liquidity sitting right here, right in this area. And the price can potentially just push back up and go all the way up. That's why I'm not jumping on any trade right now. Oof. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, no. Look at this. Oh my God, this hurts. This hurts more than having a kid. My God, no. And I am not riding this thing. This hurts more than having a kid right now. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? What can I do? I mean, what can I do, familia? I'm not even reading that the chat right now. My heart is like on the floor. These would have given me all the money in the world, plus something else. My God, this is crazy. Well, I'm happy you guys are seeing it. And for those who, love the education they're getting and learning, this is why. And I'm missing a trade only for one reason, because I cannot put a stop loss to this. I could, but it's too far. Or either I ride the wave and take the chances that any time can turn and be on the negative, or what can I do? My original plan was on the top and I got out because of the spikes. That's the only reason why. It really hurts to see that. It really does, because like this would have been a nice trade. It's mainly understanding where we are. I mean, we did the TA pretty fast. You guys saw that. And he broke, and it keeps grinding down. It just keeps grinding down. It even broke the area here on the SP 500. SP 500 is just dropping like, honestly, at this point, I don't even know where it's going. I can take a look at a higher time frame, but this drop here is massive. For a Friday, is massive. This is a massive drop. Let's see if it comes. Okay, maybe. Wow. 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 And it's recorded, familia. That's a good thing. You guys can see that replay a million times in YouTube. It's all yours. But it can go all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, non-stop. Probably there will be a hard stop because the season breakers, maybe there. Maybe there. Maybe there will be like a good stop. You guys see, familia, why it's so important to visualize the levels. You see how the price came here, hard stop. Now it's coming back to the next level, hard stop. And it just keep doing that hard stop on those levels. If he break this, you know, where's the next level? Scary, eh? Ay, Dios mío. Is that real? And I am not in that trade? That's like $1 million trade. Wow. Broken like is butter. Wow. Wow, familia, like, wow. Wow. What the fuck? And look, familia, came right to the entry that I mentioned. Boom, rejection of that level. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm gonna have a heart attack. I'm gonna have a heart attack. It hurts because I'm not in this trade. That's why it hurts so much. What the heck? You know what? Did I just say the F word? I don't even know what the heck. Oh my God, no. No. And you guys saw it came right into the entry that I mentioned. It's just pulling back up now. It can fall. It fall lower. I said it can go all the way here. I kind of want to jump into one of those, but it might be too late. You know what? I'm gonna risk it, and I'm gonna go crazy. Okay, my stop loss is gonna be above 161 if it goes on a pullback. It's trying to break the zone. Let's see. And a pullback. I want to go in a pullback. I'm gonna sell in a pullback. Just have to be really careful with those pullbacks, because then I might be falling into a trap. Let's see. I'm just gonna risk $1,000 on this. I'm gonna risk $1,000. If it goes more than 1,000, I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna risk $1,000. Let's see. Let's see. I might be falling into a trap. Oof. Oof. Where is oh no. No, 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 no. What is it doing? Close, close, close. Yes, I got out. I got out. Failed into a little trap there. Okay. Probably is going to do an opposite move. Let's see. Fell into a little trap in there. Probably gonna try to come back, do a pullback all the way up. Okay, so that's a good sign. Now I'm gonna be probably buying on a pullback. Look at that. My God, it just tricked me. I'm gonna jink it now. Let's see. If it breaks this zone, I'll be out. What? Oh man. It's tricking me badly right now. I'm gonna be closing that trade soon. Closing that trade. Huh? Soon. Let's see. Fell into a little trap, but it's coming back up. I think it's just gonna continue pushing down. You got me too high. Probably the spread is too high. Let's see. It's fighting it. It's fighting the zone. Fighting it hard. Fighting it hard. Let's see. Where are those buyers? Where are those buyers? Are they resting? Are they here? I want to close that and buy in another pullback. I'm gonna close that and buy in another pullback. Ah, close too early. Ah, close too early. It looks like the buyers are kicking in now. That's all right. All I'm risking is my what I earned today, so it's not a big deal. That's why I'm playing it hard right now, really hard. But that was a big loss, a little bit over 1,000, almost 400. I'm up again by 1,102. I'm gonna lower down my risk a lot. And it's pushing back. You guys saw how it came to the area that I mentioned, and from there it's just rejecting. That's what I call buying in the deep. So a lot of buyers now, they see that move and they start buying. The spread is too wide. That's why I got a trade that the spread just got really wide. For the amount of contract that I was opening, it was like $500 worth of a spread, which is huge. Wow, but I got out too early. Would have recovered all that there. I'm probably gonna sell back on this area here. On this area, I'm gonna sell again. Right here. Right there. I'm gonna sell there. Price need to push higher, higher, higher. Buyers should pull because sellers are still dominating. What? Let's see what AI is saying. Let's see what AI is saying right now. What a headache. My God, that was brutal. Like, what a headache I got out of that drop that I was not in. Ah, come on. All right, familia. All right. I think the price might just keep pushing a little bit higher from this point. I'm gonna go down to the 5-minute time frame. You guys saw how the price came right to the end of the channel. That's why it's extremely important to visualize these channels. I talk about it all the time. Like, visualization is important. It's super important for you guys to see that when you're learning. Understand that we were seeking for liquidity, and all of this, it could be just a stop hunt and now pushing the price back up, because obviously there's resting orders there, and it's buying in the deep. Buying in the deep. That's a very, oh, this says no good trade. AI is saying no good trade right now. But buyers are not in control, not yet. Okay. Are they pulling orders? They're not pulling orders, they're stacking orders. So this thing might be going higher because they are stacking orders. So I'm gonna be selling in the area that I mentioned to you. Oh my God. Oh, the news event. That's what we were waiting for. The news event, 10 a.m. news event. They were waiting for that. Oh boy. And I'm gonna go crazy right now. I'm gonna go crazy. So 10 a.m. per month. Okay. That came a little bit higher than usual. Percentage consumers, but yep. Actually, getting the forecast is good for the currency, which is, yes, that's why the price was pushing down. But respected highly this level, which is a good thing. If the price respected this twice, especially on a news event, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Definitely a good thing. But based on those numbers, the price should come down. Based on those numbers, price should come down. And it's just not coming up. While Ukraine peace deal would mean for European markets, huh? Okay, let's see. Let's see how far we can go up. This is opportunities of investors. They see opportunities when the market dips like that. That's opportunities for them. But the data that came out of the pre-market news today, you see, familia, it's just going up. Not in any trade yet. Ooh, it's coming drop aggressively up. Buyers are kicking in. Let's see. They're recovering the market right now. They're trying to recover the market. I'm not in any trade. So why didn't I get into this trade? Because the aggression that came up. Let's see. I am going to it should come lower. Let's see. There's another fair value gap on the top here. That is a very good key fair value gap. I might try to get into those ones. Interesting move. Buyers are in control right now. Buyers are in control. Let's see what AI says. Buyers are in control. They are buying in the deep, buying in the deep, buying in the deep. Buying in the deep. Man, sorry, I am not reading the chat. I am using 1 minute. Yes, that's right. That is right. Okay. That's crazy how he's recovering so much after being so low. Should have kept that buy at the bottom. Huh. Interesting. Just don't like the way the market is moving. Like when he's doing that these moves, it's crazy. Okay, it's getting close to my entry that I want to resell, but I want to see if it's gonna come back into this area, retest it, and come down. There's a nice void there, very nice void. So it's doing a correction right now because this Elliott wave 5 is completed. So I mentioned you guys liquidity. It's all about liquidity. So you grab the liquidity needed, as I said at the beginning of the session. Now it's fueling back up. It's fueling back up. He's respecting to the teeth RTA. Came right into the area that I mentioned that it was going to come exactly to the exact point. Rejected. So I'm waiting for a second opportunity, and I think it is there. I'm gonna sell now, and I'm gonna put a stop loss above the latest push. Above the latest push, just in case that the price decide to take me out. Okay. Oh, cow. No. What happened? Oh, come on. It closed me out on the trailing stop. That's okay. It closed me out on a trailing stop too quick. But anyways, the market actually pushed back up, so I guess it saved me. Okay, let's do this again. It's rejecting the zone that I mentioned. That's the entry I wanted to take right there. It went twice. He got me out on a trailing stop. But it's coming to this FBG here to continue to go higher. So I'm gonna be buying again in this area. Oh, come on. Might be too late. I'm probably gonna buy in that area. Oh man. All right, familia, for those who want to join us in our EW group, it's a free group, nice community. You guys can come and just click on that barcode. Please join us. It's a pretty amazing community for everyone to grow and learn. I want to buy the market. I think this is going to push back up into these levels because it's doing a correction. That move already happened, what we predicted, like earlier, it already done. But if he's doing a correction, we will do like probably a zigzag. That's the first thing, a zigzag. It's right on the equilibrium of the channel, of this channel, right on the middle point. That's why you guys are seeing all these moves, like trying to push down. That's why I sold. But I see the aggression of buyers right now that are buying from the deep. So they're waiting for a pullback to have a confirmation and then pushing back up. And that's when I'm going to go in. And that's where most traders that are buying here are going to move their stop losses there with a confirmation. Right now, they are doing trailing stop. Most people are doing trailing stop. Whoever activated the trade here, they're doing a trailing stop. And this is live data with your broker, so you guys should be okay. AI it's not telling me anything. AI is saying, hey, it's nothing. Nothing, homie. Nothing. AI is scared. Scared money don't make money. Garbage in, garbage out. That's what the thing is. Let's see, ES 500. ES 500, if it's gonna find something. Nothing. What about gold for you guys? For the gold traders, I'm not doing any TAs on gold, but AI is gonna tell us if there's something for gold. Gold. Oof. On the screen for you guys. You found a trade for gold. For those gold traders, AI is telling you to sell. No, to buy. To buy gold. I'm not sure what gold is doing right now, but I can take a quick look. To buy gold at 382. So that's super low. That's super low here. All right, well, you guys have it there on the screen if you guys want to trade gold. It's giving you a nice entry on a pullback. Bias bearish entry. Your political bid risk enter buy. Okay. All right. That's amazing, amazing, amazing. Going back to the NAS. Going back to NAS, and NAS says finally found a trade. It says to buy at 23. What? 23 805. That's like It's all the way down here. Okay, I see. That's for a scalp. You gotta wait for the entry. It says that if the price comes back into this level, it is true, because that's a pretty area. It's a pretty good area of rejection. So if price comes down, okay, this is what AI is saying. If price comes back down from this level, it's no longer a zigzag. It could be a triangle pattern. So if it comes back into these levels, 305, that will be a triangle. So it's expecting to have a triangle correction going back up. That's why it's saying 805. And it's giving you plenty of time for you guys to align this trade. A lot of time, even through the lag of, what do you call it, YouTube. Familia, if you guys are new or not, please hit that like and subscribe. Please click on that like button. It's just like boom, 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 because that will help the community to grow and be a very nice, compact family. Hi. AI says no opportunity. Hello. Okay. Had to do surely drop out. Okay, cool. Okay, let's see. The market is just idling there. Volume is dying right now. Wow. What a crazy start for the day, eh? I wanted to buy here, but the price never came back to me, so I wanted to buy here, the price just never came to me. Full recovery. Full recovery of the market after that drop. Yikes. Let me delete this because this is old now. But the market truly respected our levels, and I am going to delete this too because this is now old. It will be recorded for you guys to review it and learn of anything. This trade left me with no energy after such a big disappointing missing out on that trade. I think I'm gonna be ready to sell as well very soon because of this. It's gonna probably go all the way here and then rejection to the bottom of the ocean. We will see. Let's wait, familia. Let's wait. What's up, Renee? What's up, Anna? What's up, Tony? Josh, the one and only. Okay, it's rejecting the zone, but it's not really rejecting the zone. Streaking people. And I am going to do this. I'm waiting for my next opportunity here. My PL is still up. It's 1,131. So it's not bad. Can't complain. I want to sell the market, but I just want to be careful because this zone here can come higher, but it's getting weak. Buyers are not participating so much right now, and ES 500 is pushing down actually. Yes. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna miss another chance there. Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna sell. No, of course. There you go. Let's see. And of course, and I sell, and of course, it goes higher. What a disappointing day today. I'm probably gonna get out of this trade and go in a different position a lot higher. It's trying to fight the area, but buyers are not letting it go that easy. I think it's gonna keep pushing higher at this point. Let's do this. I am gonna go crazy to that. I am gonna double my trade to that. I'm gonna go a little bit crazy. And get out here. Let's go. Yeah, I think buyers are still in control. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna get out and just reimburse this trade because it's probably not the best thing to trade against the market. I'm gonna lower down my risk. I'm gonna do 30 contracts, so 15. Shows that I'm trading a lot of accounts in one trade. Okay, let me see what this is about to do. Okay. Buyers are losing control. Buyers are losing control. And it's about filling orders. So it's filling orders at the bottom. What other areas are interested here? And it is here where I want to buy again. That yellow line. What I have my yellow line, I'm gonna be buying again in the market. Yep. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Buyers are not in control. They're losing control. Not so much. I want to buy here in the equilibrium of that fair value gap. Let's wait, familia. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Don't be impatient. Just wait. Okay, let's just wait. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. All right. My God, this is insane. What is AI saying? AI says, let's see. It gave us a trade at the very bottom. It says to buy at the very bottom. Now it says to buy again at 854. It says to buy here. To buy there. It says to buy right now. Is AI crazy? $840 and the stop loss at $840. I don't know about that. I want to get in here. Well, if you guys want to take that trade, it's up to you guys, but I'm not taking that trade. I'm taking the trade at the bottom. It's, well, if you are taking the trade from AI, you should be in profits and closing some of it soon. It's not. It's crazy. Now, what I see in the market is just created a nice void here. Like this area here is a void. That price should come and fill it up. That's why I wanted to sell, but buyers are losing control slowly. So you know what, on a retracement, if there is any, I think I'm gonna sell. Ah, come on. Really? Come to me, baby. Oh, buy here is not coming to me. I want to buy from here. Ah, come on. Jesus Christ. That was a big push to the upside. I'm gonna sell there. That's what I wanted to sell. I'm gonna have a very short stop loss. Let's see. Come on, push down. Resting orders are on the very top. It might just keep moving higher. Let's see. It's fighting the area a lot. I can see this price pushing like a rocket right now. It's fighting the area at the very bottom a lot. That's pretty good, and that's coming from ES 500. ES 500 is fighting the zone at the very bottom. So that's a good sign that buyers are still in control in the area that I mentioned. So I'm gonna be switching hats again because that rejection that just happened there. Let's see, not too desperate. I don't care, honestly. It's a day that I just don't care. Whatever happens, happens. Like with the move of this morning, it was just, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Buyers, you know what's the craziest part? It's the fact that in the very top, price can continue pushing really high. And in the very top, there's a ton of orders that are waiting to be filled. And I see buyers now kicking in hard. Buyers are trying to kick in hard, especially from the area that I enter. Let's see. Might be a break even for me today. Let's see. Let's see. Come on now. Come on now. Push. Push like there's no tomorrow. Push. 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 Oh man. I'm gonna activate trading stop just in case. I'm gonna, oh, really? Come on. Why is kicking me out so early? No, I didn't want to get out. Why is kicking me out so early out of these trades? Come on now, like. I don't like that. I don't like that. The market is it looks like my trailing stop is just too tight. As soon as I'm in like little profit, it's just kicking me out. But if I'm in negative, it's like deep in negative. That's not nice. Like, I want to buy the market when it comes down to these levels. I'm going to reduce a little bit my risk and let it rip. I want to let it rip. Let's see. I'm going to reduce my risk by a lot. Just let it rip. Wow. Oh, and of course. I want to like grab my hands, just grab the candles and go like push it up. Like all right, let's go. Give it to me, baby. It's crazy. I'm gonna tell you what. I'm gonna draw it to you guys see, because this is what I see. There are two areas in the market right now, and it's like right in the middle point. You got void here and a void here, and then you got tons of buying orders there, tons of sales orders there. But right in the middle point where I am right now, like in this point, there's a ton of resting orders to buy as well, like right on that yellow line. And the market is slowly coming to me, slowly coming to me, slowly coming to me. So I am going to there, execute another buy order, and wait. You guys saw that? It came right to the point there, what I mentioned, and boom, execution. I just don't know if it's enough orders to bring the market back up like big. I don't know. The amount of orders that are there are average compared to the other ones. If it fails to bring the market back up, it's going to come to the next session, which is our second level here. I can hold these trades because I'm literally trading them at very low lot sizes. Like, remember what I mentioned, the market is going to move in waves. It's going to repeat the same areas over and over. So if you want to win, lower down your risk by a ton, and then you will get what you want, because the market will come back in the same areas over and over, over and over, over and over. Let's say if the market right now comes really far away and breaks, for example, this zone here, like if we break this, yeah, it should come out of the trade. If we break this zone here, yeah, it should come out of the trade. But as long as it's inside this range, it's gonna repeat the same areas over and over a million times. We just gotta wait. Right now, seems that buyers are not kicking in, which is a little bit surprising for me right now. And because when that happens, then sellers kick in. Let's see. They're fighting the area hard. And they go. Here we go. Come on. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do, homie. Bring the market in those levels where I want. $500, I close it. There you go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Not minus 500. I say 500 up. This market, I'm telling you, it just... The market today, it's wild. It's been like that for the entire week. And again, I'm taking this risk right now, but the truth is I shouldn't be trading that area. That's the EQ. But what I see resting orders to buy the market in the area that I mentioned, it should react and push the market at least back into this session and give us, like I said, at least $500 for that trade. But buyers are not kicking in. That's why I'm surprised, because if they don't do that, then it's going to come to the next level, which isn't where I have that red area there, where I have that red line. It's gonna come there. If buyers are not kicking in, it's gonna go there. But the amount of contract that I have right now for that account, plus everything else that I got in there, it can hold. Like, I don't mind. I'm up right now by 1,822. I can risk that, no problem. Break even if things don't go well. Don't mind it. Come on down. Push. Push. Any questions, familia? Any questions? Any questions? For those who are new to the chat, let's see what AI is gonna say now. He gave us a not it wasn't bad, it was just the way the market was moving. Oh, says to sell right now. AI is saying to sell at 883. That's too high. Okay, yeah, I can see it. Yeah, to sell all the way up there. AI is gave us two trades that I think they're good, and this is one of them. The one that is saying to sell on that number. The other one is to buy up around this area. And believe it or not, the price will go there. It will go there. Just a matter of time. And right now, ES 500 is lingering around that area. That's why you see this trade just putting us like in and out of profits. When I see a behavior like that of the market, usually tends to go where liquidity is sitting. So I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna be closing this trade in profits, and I'm gonna wait for the market to come into those levels. I just closed the trade there. $10. I just want to get out of it. I'm gonna wait for the price to come to these levels, either here or the very top. It doesn't matter if it goes up and then I missed it or I didn't make any money, whatever, I don't care. Look at that, I'm drinking air. Isn't that cool? I'm drinking air. Wow, magic. Now I'm drinking coffee. Oh man, technology. The reason why you guys can see what I'm drinking is because this is a green drink. It's green, therefore is transparent for everyone. What I call it air. Drinking air. Oh man, you gotta love it. They like today when the market just goes and do whatever, and you miss that. Is what can you do? I'm out of the trade, just waiting for my next opportunity at the bottom and the top. My PL today is crazy, like really crazy. Like I have 28 trades and I lost 8 of them. I lost 8 of them. I'm up by 1,837 now, but that's wild. That's wild. All right, there's a little bit of a delay. I know that. So I think it's better for me to switch into our private group. That way we can catch some live trades with everyone. What do you guys think? Thumbs up if you guys think it's a good idea. I'll go right away into it. But if everybody agreed, that way we can catch these trades live, because I know there's a little bit of a lag. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I'm going to be switching into our private VIP group. Familia, if you guys want to be part of it, again, here's a link description. Join the EW Army and let's catch some trades live. Just put the thumbs up, click on that barcode and join us. All right, familia? It's been a pleasure for the YouTube community, and I will see you later, my friends. God bless everyone.
Goodbye.